Now I've been covering the K20 Pro a lot, and that has the flagship Snapdragon 855 inside. So we all know that the K20 Pro is gonna kill it with performance. But the K20, that comes with the new Snapdragon 730 chip. We've heard a lot about that chip. In theory, it's a great mid-range chip, but how does it actually game? Well, let's put that to the test in today's video by playing everything from PUBG to Fortnite. Oh yeah, this one does support Fortnite. So hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech and let's get started. So let's dive straight in with Marvel Future Fight. The controls feel smooth and we were able to pull off combos without any lag or stutters. Overall great gameplay. Good visuals, nothing to complain about. Flying around as Iron Man feels nice here. Temperature check before we move on to the next game. Front and back both around 30 degrees with a max of 31 degrees around the camera module. Guys, by the way, I am giving away this K20 as well. So if you have not entered the giveaway yet, I'll leave a link with instructions in the description below. Check that out. Next up, we have Asphalt 9. You get to see the details from the cars here, looks awesome. And on this punchy AMOLED panel, the blue of the sky and the red of the car pops, making everything look so much better. And thanks to this 6.39-inch all-screen display, it's an absolute immersive experience. There were a couple of frame drops here and there, especially in intense collisions, but overall, a pretty good gameplay experience. Temperatures are a little warmer now, around 37 degrees at the top left corner. Max temperature 39 degrees Celsius, still acceptable. And guys, if you've been liking what you've been seeing so far, do consider turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Let's now move on to PUBG. We are playing it at HD quality and high frame rate. Gameplay throughout remained buttery smooth, even when we were in a vehicle. Of course, we also tried scoping in for kills and the touch response was lightning quick. Overall, a lot of fun. The Adreno 618 GPU here seems to be keeping up really well no matter what we throw at it. It's been like half an hour and the K20 has started to get warmer. Not so much that we couldn't hold on to it, but some parts of the screen did reach around 42 degrees Celsius, and so did the back, but anything under 45 is considered good, so it's still doing well. The next one was a bit of a surprise. Fortnite worked on the K20. We played it on medium settings and it was pretty good. The graphics weren't that impressive, but the gameplay was smooth. We aren't really that good at Fortnite, so that's why the footage isn't very interesting. But we tried out the basic mechanics and it worked well. If you play the game regularly and you have some good Fortnite on mobile tutorials, do leave them in the comments down below. And let's now check the temps again. We have a max of 41 degrees on screen and just a shade below that on the back. Pretty good considering we are now approaching around 40 to 45 minutes of gameplay. Seems like Redmi has done a fairly good job with the Snapdragon 730. So the last one on our list today is a more casual game with not so demanding graphics. But before we jump into that, let's take a peek at Game Turbo, MIUI's Game Speed Booster app. It shows you a live feed of your CPU and GPU usage at the top and it optimizes the phone for the best gaming experience. There are loads of settings you can tinker around with so that you can get a distraction-free gaming experience, and they're pretty straightforward, so I'm not really gonna delve into it. So the last game on the list, Respawnables. This is like a unique fast-paced third-person shooter with cartoony graphics. The touch response again was really good and we didn't face any difficulty aiming. The Snapdragon 730 was excellent again. This is a pretty light game, so the CPU and GPU weren't pushed as hard and we saw the temps come down to around 37 degrees. So let's finish this off with a couple of benchmarks. The Snapdragon 730 comes with 2 high-performance Cryo 470 Gold cores clocked in at 2.2 GHz and 6 power-efficient Cryo 470 Silver cores clocked in at 1.8 GHz. Basically, this is a pretty powerful mid-tier chip and seems like Redmi's done quite well with it here. If you were to pick this phone up, gaming shouldn't really be an issue. Now that's it from me. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video on the K20's gaming performance. If you have any more questions about the K20 or any video requests, do leave them in the comments below and I will try to answer them. I will try to get that done, the videos done. Also, thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about the video. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Retech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.